Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a beautiful 2022 Dodge Charger SXT. She is running, so I'm gonna let you hear her run. Beautiful shine. She runs good, she looks good. She has been serviced. This baby's got a fresh oil change, new cabin filter, new air filter, new wipers, and new tires all the way around. Clean Carfax. Does show a minor accident. Clean title. She's got 85,000 miles, I believe. We'll get inside and look at the dash here in a minute. New tires all the way around. Let's take a look at the inside. $85,782. Take a look at the back seat. Does have the flip down armrest for the back seat riders. And we'll go around to the other side. Beautiful shine. And the owner's manual is in the glove box. And let's pop the trunk, let you look in there. Get my stuff out of the way for you. And here's some little things that I put on there for you. We've test drove her 40 miles. Probably going to drive her a little bit more. She is a 6-cylinder, 19 city, 30 highway. And there again, we've got the new wipers, fresh oil change, new cabin filter, new air filter. Brakes are plenty good. They're almost new. New tires all the way around. And let's see what else we got. And there's what I'm asking, $18,999. Let's see. There's the Carfax, minor accident. All right. And the spare tire is under here. Let me see if I can show you the spare tire. There's the spare tire. All right, I'm gonna put this down and I'll pop the hood for you. And then we'll take a, well, I'm here. We might as well go ahead and do the inside, and then I'll pop the hood. All right, there's the odometer, 85,782. No lights on the dash, so she is good. And she has been emissions inspected. Let me give you a blast of the radio. Got to turn it back down. It does have the backup camera. And we'll go back to park and show you the apps. And let's go. My phone is not connected because I'm just doing this for you. There's the compass. We'll go back to media. And go back to radio. Let me hit it again for you. Got to keep it turned down. YouTube does not give me permission to do that. So, it is an automatic, and this is the fob. It does have your console there, or cup holders, I'm sorry. And then here's the console. I can't think of anything else on the inside. So now we'll pop pop the hood and I'll let you see the engine. And she is a 6-cylinder engine. She is the SXT Dodge Charger 2022 SXT with 85,782 miles. All right. Can't think of anything else in here. It is a push button start. All right, let's pop the hood for you. Then we'll give you another walk around and I guess that'll do it. She's not a perfect car, but she's nice. She sounds good. When I say she's not perfect, she's got some little cosmetic stuff going on. Little things like that right there. She's not perfect, but she is really nice. $85,000 miles. Clean Carfax. No, I'm sorry. Clean title. Carfax does show an accident. Minor accident. But clean title. 85,000 miles. Serviced. New tires all the way around. Brakes are like new. Fresh oil change. New cabin filter. Air filter. New wipers. Very nice car. Beautiful shine. I can't think of anything else to tell you or show you. Give us a call, 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. You can visit us on our website, kylesautosales.com. I thank you very much for your time, and I thank you very much for your business. We do service all our vehicles. We make sure they're good for you. Give us a call, 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Website, kylesautosales.com. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day and come see us. Remember to hit like and share for me. That helps me out. I would truly appreciate that. I truly appreciate you and your time and your business. Thank you very much. Y'all enjoy this springtime weather. Take care.